Hello everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals, and for that we keep making videos on different software. We are also open for our live online class. Now, if you want to join our live online classes or want to get the recorded sessions, then you will find a link in the description which will redirect you to this Google form, and all you have to do is to fill all your details over here and our team will connect with you. So in the last class we have learned the use of paint tool, and today we are going to learn the use of scale tool. So first of all, I will have to select my object completely and then I will click on scale. So this will give me few points, and if I will drag it in any direction, then it will just increase the length of the object in that particular direction. Like if I want to create a wall through this object or through this model, then I can simply drag it. Now if I want to make a platform where someone can speak, then I can just drag it in this direction and it will make a beautiful platform for the speaker. So now I will just undo the process. And let me show you what are the other uses of this scale tool. So if you will import any SketchUp file in your new model, then it will come at a random size. So you may need to increase the size of the object or you may need to decrease the size of the object. So for that, all you have to do is to select the object, use the scale tool and enlarge it. So if you will grab the diagonally opposite corner, then it will not disturb the geometry of the object, but you can just enlarge your object. Or even if you want to reduce the size of the object, the process is same. But it's not like that you can scale the object in any random ratio. Like if I want to scale it in any particular ratio, then all I have to do is to just enter the value over here. So first of all, I will select the object, then I will take the measurement of the object. So right now it's 21 feet. Suppose I want to make it 210 feet, then I will have to increase it 5 times. So I will simply use my scale tool. The shortcut for the scale tool is S. So all you have to do is to select your object and hit the S button on your keyboard. Now I will use the diagonally opposite corner, increase it and enter the value 10. And my object will be increased 10 times. So to check that, I will just take the measurement again. So you can see this object has been enlarged 10 times. Now if I want to bring it back to the original position, then I have to follow the same process. I will use the scale tool and reduce it and enter the value 0.1 and hit enter. So it will be decreased 10 times. Let's take the measurement again. So you can see we have got the earlier dimension. So these were a few smart ways of using the scale tool. If you want to learn more about the SketchUp, you can stay tuned with our channel, or if you want to get the recorded session for our SketchUp course, then you can just fill the form over here and we are open for the recorded session of SketchUp, in which you will get the recorded videos of more than 30 projects and you will also get to learn the Lumion software. The cost for this is just $4.99. So that was all for today. Thank you and a very happy new year to all of you.